The Altoona Fire Department wants you to check your smoke detectors.
If they don't properly work or if they don't work at all, the department is installing free smoke detectors for people who live in the city.
Our Leanna Wells shows us what you can do to get yours.
When was the last time you changed the batteries in your smoke detector? If it's been a while, the Altoona Fire Department wants you to know.
We should check the batteries at minimum once a year. We recommend twice a year. Whenever you change your clocks, check your batteries.
The smoke detector installation comes at a perfect time because in just a few days, daylight saving time ends and the clocks will turn back.
You want to make sure you have at least one smoke detector on every floor and a minimum of one in every sleeping area.
The death rate per 1,000 home structure fires is 55% lower in homes with working smoke alarms than those without. That's according to the National Fire Protection Association.
We're looking to make sure that the people of Altoona, the residents, have the safety devices that they need in order to live safely and prosper in our city.
How often you change the battery depends on the kind of smoke alarm you have. Most smoke detectors, like the one I have here, have 10-year non-replaceable batteries. If the smoke alarm chirps, warning you that the battery is low, replace the smoke alarm right away. Other smoke alarms that have different batteries need replacing at least once a year. At the Altoona Fire Department, Leanna Wells, WTAJ News.